One continuous roofline. Floor-to-ceiling windows flooding your home with natural light. Dramatic vaulted ceilings. And a price tag 15 to 20% lower than traditional roof designs. That's the Single Slope Barndominium, and it's one of the fastest growing home styles in 2026. But before you fall in love with the look, you need the full picture, the real costs, the real advantages, and the honest drawbacks that most channels won't touch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether a single slope Barndo belongs in your future. Before we jump into the numbers, do me one quick favor. Tap subscribe and ring the bell. I break down real Barndominium costs and design truths every single week. Let's get into it. What is a single slope Barndominium? A single slope roof, also called a shed roof or skill-ion roof, is one continuous plane that runs from a high wall on one side down to a lower wall on the other. No ridge, no valley, no peak in the middle. Just one clean, uninterrupted slope across the full length of your building. Historically, this design was reserved for storage sheds and outbuildings. But in 2026, it has evolved into one of the most sought-after residential designs in the Barndominium world. And for very good reasons. The typical pitch runs between 412 and 612. Your high wall reaches 14 to 20 feet. Your low wall sits at 10 to 12 feet. That height difference is everything. It creates the drama, the light, and the spatial personality that homeowners and builders are chasing right now. Why this design works. The real reasons. Let's break down exactly why single slope Barndominiums make sense in 2026. And I'm giving you specifics, not vague praise. Speed and simplicity. Single slope roofs are among the fastest roof systems to frame. One continuous plane means fewer cuts, fewer complex angles, and fewer chances for costly mistakes. On a 40 by 60 build, a skilled crew frames and sheets a single slope roof in 3 to 5 days. A comparable gable or gambrel system takes 7 to 10 days. That gap in labor hours shows up directly on your invoice. Material efficiency, because there are no valleys, hips, or complex intersections. Single slope roofs generate significantly less scrap. Prefab metal building kits, which most Barndo builders use, are manufactured specifically to minimize waste on mono-pitch designs. Less waste means lower material costs. Plain and simple. Superior drainage. Water flows in one direction with zero interruptions. No valleys where debris collects. No low points where ice builds up. No complex flashing details that can fail over time. In snow country especially, this matters. Snow slides off naturally rather than loading up and stressing your structure. Natural light. That tall high wall is a light machine. You can install 8 to 10 foot floor-to-ceiling windows that would be structurally difficult or prohibitively expensive in a traditional design. Research consistently shows that maximizing natural light can cut your artificial lighting energy use by 50 to 70% during daylight hours. That's money back in your pocket every single month. Solar optimization. This is the big one for 2026. A single slope roof gives you one large, uninterrupted surface perfectly positioned for solar panels. No juggling multiple roof planes. No shading issue from dormers or ridge lines. Orient your high wall to face south or southeast, and your roof becomes a solar asset from day one, which matters more than ever with energy costs climbing and solar incentives still available. Real 2026 cost breakdown. Let's talk real numbers. For a 40 by 60 single slope Barndominium, 2,400 square feet. Here's where your money actually goes in 2026. The shell package, covering the single slope roof system, wall framing, metal panels, fasteners, and trim, runs $28,000 to $42,000. A reinforced 4-inch concrete slab foundation adds $14,000 to $19,000. Professional shell erection runs another $10,000 to $14,000. Your weatherproof shell, roof on, walls up, ready for interior work, lands between $52,000 and $75,000. Interior finishing is where costs swing based on your choices. Budget finishes run $65 to $85 per square foot for a functional, livable space. Mid-range finishes, quality materials that look and live well, run $95 to $145 per square foot. High-end finishes with polished concrete, custom cabinetry, and premium windows run $150 to $220 per square foot. Total turnkey cost for a mid-range 40 by 60 single slope Barndo, $228,000 to $348,000. That works out to $95 to $145 per square foot fully finished. Compare that to traditional stick-built homes running $180 to $280 per square foot in most 2026 markets. The savings are real. One money-saving tip worth knowing: stock floor plans. Custom architectural drawings can run $4,500 to $8,000. A high-quality stock plan designed for single-slope builds typically costs $1,200 to $2,000 and has already been vetted for structural integrity. For most buyers, a stock plan handles 90% of their needs, and a local drafter can handle adjustments for a fraction of full custom design costs. Also watch your freight costs. If your kit manufacturer is more than 500 miles from your build site, shipping alone can quietly add $3,000 to $5,000. Always try to source your kit locally. Design advantages that change how you live. Beyond the numbers, Single Slope Barndominiums offer design advantages that genuinely change daily life. The sloping ceiling creates natural zoning without complex floor plans. Your high side, with 16 to 20-foot ceilings, becomes your living room, kitchen, and entertaining space. Your low side, at 10 to 12 feet, becomes your bedrooms and bathrooms. 10 feet of ceiling is more than enough for sleeping and bathing. What you created, without any architectural gymnastics, is a home that naturally separates public and private zones. The tall high wall also creates vertical real estate for loft and mezzanine spaces. Many 2026 builds are leveraging this height to add a partial loft, gaining usable square footage without adding to the building's footprint. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to expand a Barndo's livable area. And that tall wall is perfect for large sliding or folding glass doors opening to a covered patio. Done right, your interior and exterior spaces feel like one continuous living environment, something people pay a premium to achieve in traditional home design. The honest challenges. Here's where we get real. Because every design has drawbacks and you deserve to know them. It's a modern aesthetic, period. Single slope roofs are clean, contemporary, and minimalist. If your dream is a classic farmhouse or traditional barn look, this is not your roof. You need to be genuinely comfortable with the modern appearance before you commit, because it's the first thing everyone sees about your home, every day, for as long as you own it. Zoning and HOA rules can shut you down. Some suburban neighborhoods and homeowners associations explicitly restrict single slope designs. Before you fall in love with floor plan, verify with your local planning and zoning office. This step costs nothing. Getting denied after you've started planning costs a lot. Gutters are non-negotiable. All your roofs run off concentrates on one side of the building. A 40 by 60 single slope is channeling the water from 2,400 square feet toward one gutter line. During heavy rain, an undersized system will be overwhelmed, and water cascading against your foundation causes serious long-term damage. Proper gutter sizing adds $800 to $2,000 over a standard system. Don't skip it. High wall wind exposure. That tall wall takes the full force of wind from one direction. In high wind regions or hurricane zones, this requires careful structural engineering. Work with someone who knows metal buildings in your specific area, and don't assume standard code minimums are enough. Attic storage disappears. Gable and gambrel roofs naturally create attic space. Single slope roofs don't. If storage matters to your household, build it into your floor plan intentionally from the start. Extra closets, utility rooms, or a separate storage structure. Don't discover this gap after you've moved in. Interior planning takes more thought. Slope ceilings mean ceiling fans, and light fixtures need proper slope ceiling mounts. Furniture placement on the high side needs to account for where the ceiling begins to drop. Built-ins and shelving may require custom work. None of these are deal breakers, but they add design complexity you should budget for. Who this is for and who it's not for. A single slope barndominium is the right move if you love modern contemporary design, you value natural light and open area spaces, you're building in a rural or suburban area with flexible zoning, and you're planning to add solar. The efficiency advantages, lower construction costs, and dramatic livability are genuinely hard to beat at this price point. It's probably not right for you if you prefer traditional or farmhouse aesthetics. You're in an HOA with strict architectural controls. You need significant attic storage, or you're in a high wind area that requires substantial additional engineering investment. Single slope barndominiums are not a trend. They are a legitimate, well-engineered residential design that delivers real cost savings, real efficiency, and a living experience that surprises nearly everyone who walks inside one for the first time. But they require real planning. Verify your zoning before anything else. Visit a completed build in person, if you can. Photos don't capture how it actually feels to live inside one. Work with builders who have specifically built single slope barndominiums. Orient your high wall south or southeast. And take your gutters seriously. Do the work up front, and you'll build something that lasts decades and turns heads the entire time. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I read every one. See you in the next one.